Want to build a clean Apple-style setting screen in SwiftUI? In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how, step by step. This is the app feature we will create. As you see, it's similar to the setting screen. We're able to filter on different sections within our list. For example, if I type in choose the app icon, you can see that it filters to choose the app icon, or app theme. We can also navigate to a website or Twitter feed. If I click on the website, it navigates to the website, irisinsights.co.uk. And it also includes an about the application section. And we can also filter for that section. If I type in about, then it filters on the about the application section. So this is the tutorial we are creating. Today we'll create a reusable view for our social media links to enable the user to navigate to different websites. If there is enough time, we'll also implement our settings view. The first thing we need to do is to create a new SwiftUI view and name the view Social Media Links. Social Media Links view. We can delete our text element on line 12. Add a section. The section will include a header. The caption of the header will be "Follow us on social media." And then it will include a link with the destination. And the destination URL will be following website, which is HTTPS. Or we can delete the comma at the beginning. So that'll be HTTPS irisinsights.co.uk. We also need to create a HTAG that includes a image, system image, which will be app.fill. The foreground color will be .red. And then the label will be website. On line 16, that should be system name, not system. Don't forget to subscribe. for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. We need to repeat the same thing that we just done previously, so we need to create a link for Twitter, so we can copy the lines between line 14 and line 22. And then paste it after line 22. So this will be the Twitter link. And then we can just replace the URL with the Twitter URL. System name will be link, and the text for the caption will be Twitter, which is for the label. As you can see in the middle. And then our final link will be a link to the courses on Iris Insight's website. The system name will be play.rectangle.fill. The color is green. Also for Twitter, the foreground color, that should be blue and not red. The text should be courses. And your layout should resemble something like this, as you can see within the preview. The next view we will focus on is our settings view. So we need to create a new SwiftUI file and call it settings view. Settings view. The main purpose of the settings view is to change the app theme, such as the color and the text of the application, and also the app icon. The first thing we need to create is an app state variable. And the purpose of the app state variable is to show the selected app icon that is selected at that time. The name of the variable is called selected app icon. The selected app icon will be assigned blue. We also need to create another app state variable, which is called theme, and that will include the currently selected themes, and this will be assigned a blue theme. So that's app state private var selected theme blue theme. We can have all different types of themes, such as blue, pink, green, whatever theme you want. We also need our final app state variable, which is called search query. And the purpose of that variable is to enable the user to filter and search the settings view, as shown earlier in the tutorial. The next thing we need to do is to create a function called match or matches search query. And the purpose of that function is to determine if what the user is trying to search for is really within our list. For example, if the user is trying to search for a section, a title, or keyword within our list, if it exists, then the list will be filtered and it will be bubbled up to the application and displayed at the top of the list. Such as if I typed in app title, then it would display app title at the top of the list within the settings view. The parameters that will be acceptable in this function is section, which is a setting section parameter, which will return a boolean if it's found or not. Section.title.lowercase.contains search query.lowercase or section.content.lowercase.contains search query.lowercase, which will be dot lowercase. So what we're doing there, we're just checking to see if either the title or the content contains the search text. Next week, we'll continue to complete our settings view. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.